The reunification of Germany in 1990 marked the end of the Cold War and the rebuilding of a divided nation. After World War II's end in 1945, Germany was split into occupation zones by the Allies. By 1949, tensions between East and West led to the formation of two separate countries, West Germany under Western influence and East Germany under Soviet control. In 1961, the Berlin Wall was erected by East Germany, symbolizing the ideological rift between democracy and communism. It stood as a barrier to freedom, with many losing their lives attempting to escape. The 1980s brought economic crises and political stagnation in East Germany, while Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev's reforms influenced opposition movements, including those in East Germany. On November 9, 1989, facing massive public protests, East Germany announced the opening of the borders with the West. That night, citizens began dismantling the Berlin Wall, signaling the collapse of the communist regime. Political discussions for reunification ensued, with West German Chancellor Helmut Kohl proposing a 10-point plan for unity. While international powers hesitated, U.S. support, especially from President George H.W. Bush, led to an agreement for a democratic, unified Germany within NATO. Internal challenges were significant, with East Germany's outdated infrastructure requiring investments to balance disparities. On October 3, 1990, Germany's reunification was officially declared, becoming a national holiday. Borders vanished, and Germans embraced freedom and democracy. Though a historical triumph, challenges remained as Germany navigated economic and social differences. East Germans adjusted to capitalism while efforts focused on integrating infrastructure and enhancing the Eastern economy. Today, Germany's strong economy reflects the success of reunification despite its challenges.